Well, tonight, Governor Reynolds is announcing major changes in the state's fight against the pandemic.
Local 5's John Diaz is in the studio tonight to tell us what is going on. John.
Yeah, the first major change is the expiration of the governor's public health proclamation. Now, the proclamation, which included dozens of provisions aimed at stopping the pandemic, will officially expire at 11:59 on Tuesday the 15th. The governor says, quote, "We cannot continue to suspend duly enacted laws and treat COVID-19 as a public health emergency indefinitely after 2 years. It's no longer feasible or necessary." The other major change, how COVID data is reported. The state will decommission its COVID websites on the 16th, but COVID data will still be reported. Officials, however, say it will be more similar to how the state reports flu activity.
The way it's looked for 2 years needs to shift, and it is time to make that shift. So we will continue to monitor things, and if something changes or emerges in the future, we stand ready to shift our response again. But I think we're going to fall in line here with what you're hearing in a national dialogue and where other states have headed.
We want to note the State Hygienic Lab will continue to operate the Test Iowa at Home program. As testing supplies increase and more options for self-testing become available, the state will reassess the need for the program. Now, according to the governor's office, the state does not need to have a proclamation like this in place to be eligible for federal coronavirus funding, meaning we should continue to receive our allocation of vaccines and other therapeutics. Samantha?
John, thank you. Meantime, the University of Iowa says it will provide rapid COVID tests to students for free. Now, the university is currently limiting tests to 1 per student and is not giving tests to faculty or staff until more are available. Officials say the goal is to get a more accurate representation of COVID on campus.